Welcome to Dad's Garage, and I am Danny Nieves. Check out my other videos on this channel so you can catch up. My son and I have a lot of fun working on these cars and projects. We're gonna be talking everything about cleaning up the interior of your car.
Style Camaro here on the right way. Car on the right way is about 300 pounds heavier and they're powered by the same engines.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy watching our videos. Today I'm going to be working on the 1985 Firebird Trans Am that I have. I just want to show you some quick tips, really simple things that you can do all on your own in your own garage that makes it super easy to clean up your interior. One of the best things that I've purchased so far is this. So if you've had any difficulty getting stains out of your carpet before with just a regular brush, I am telling you this works wonders, and you're gonna see through the video the before and after the carpet that I do in my Trans Am. It just looks phenomenal. You could get it at any of your local auto parts store, and it's really inexpensive for this complete set. I ended up using the biggest one and it just worked out fantastic for me. I'll throw a link on the description of the video so that way it's an easy click for you and you can get what you need for your project when you're ready to start cleaning your interior. Today's gonna be all about cleaning the Trans Am. I'm gonna start with the interior. Like I showed you before, those brushes have been amazing and they're giving me some really great results. You probably saw the before of the carpet. We're gonna start working on it, getting after it. I left some of the chemical already pre-soaking some of the major stains, so that way right now when I get into it, at least it's been able to lift up some of that dirt, grease, or whatever it is that's in there. A lot of fun watching the transformation of the interior of the Trans Am, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. I took some time since I was in the cleaning mode to clean the engine and do a quick wash on the outside before I throw the car back into the garage so I can take care of some other things. Please hit that like and subscribe button. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you on the next video.